Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video. In this video, I am going to unbox AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor. It's 3rd gen processor. It's the latest processor by AMD. It's Ryzen lineup. It's Gen 2 architecture. AMD socket AM4 supported. NVMe M.2 supported. So this is the box. Here are our processor. So let's open the box. So specification of this RAM, of this processor. AMD Ryzen 5 3600, 6 core 12 thread processor, 4.2 GHz max boost, 3.6 GHz base, discrete graphics card required. So if you want to use this processor, you must have graphics card. This processor don't have any internal graphics card. Also I missed some specification. Socket AM4, heatsink fan included, 35 MB cache, unlocked processor. So now time to open the box. Ooh. This is our cooling fan. Let's take out other things. Other things, processor, let's check out. Important, please read. Then it is how the processor is contain package. Okay. And the user manual. I think no one read this. I also not going to read this. Our processor, also a sticker, AMD Ryzen 5 sticker, Ryzen 5 3600. Diffused in USA, diffused in Taiwan, made in China. Okay, let's unbox our cooling fan. Okay, my mistake, I was using the wrong side. Oops, sorry. I'm not going to mess with this thermal paste, so for safety, please. Okay, this is our stock cooler. I think this is with RGB. This is not RGB version. I don't know the model. I think it's the WRITH, maybe. I'm not sure. I will. Okay, this is the cooling fan. So our Ryzen processor and our cooling fan.